Christos, I beg your pardon, Honor and
Hassan,
thank you very much for your time.
We'll
see what happens and we'll report back. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's coming up to 10 o'clock. We will bring you the latest news and sport in just a moment. Excuse me. Thank you very much. Right, we are going to get thunder snow, and a number of people are very excited about this, including our own meteorologist, Carol. What even is thunder snow?
Well, it's really straightforward, Victoria, because thunderstorms happen all the time and all over the world as well. Now, normally, thunderstorms come out of a cumulonimbus cloud. There's a lot going on inside the clouds. And as they fall into milder conditions, the atmosphere, you'll find they'll fall as rain. But if it's colder at surface level, then they'll fall as snow. So that is essentially thunder snow. But what they do is create some fabulous displays because, of course, they reflect off the snow. And Nick Miller will be talking about that a bit later in the programme and explaining exactly what happens inside a cumulonimbus cloud, which is
easy
very
for you to say.
I was going to say it's very hard to say. But thank you.
See you later.
See you later. Today, what we've got, though, is quite a bit of snow around. And you can see from our lovely Weather Watchers pictures, we've seen it as we've gone through the course of this morning. This one was taken earlier on in the Highlands in Conan Bridge. And we've got another one as well. Lovely sunrise, but some lying snow in Huntly in Aberdeenshire, and another one too in Biggar in South Lanarkshire. So you can see there is some snow around. The snow at the moment is largely across the northern half of the UK, and it's snow showers, so not all of us are seeing them. If you look at the squeezing of those isobars, that tells you it's also very windy, so there'll be some blizzards on the hills. Further south, it's rain that we've got coming in courtesy of this area of low pressure, moving through Wales, the southwest, getting over across the Midlands, East Anglia and Kent later on. But at the moment, we've got mild southwesterly winds. Later, the wind veers to more of a northwesterly, which is a cold direction, and then we'll start to see some sleet and snow in the forecast. So this morning, we've got all the snow showers across Scotland, Northern England, Northern Ireland, not all of us seeing them. In some of the heavier showers, we could see a little bit at lower levels in Wales, but a lot of it's in the hills. And then as we go through the day, you'll start to see that come in through the moors. A lot of rain actually. There could well be some issues with some flooding on the roads, with surface water flooding, that is. Cold day in prospect, 2s, 3s and 4s, but when you add on the effects of the wind, it will feel much colder than that. That's the wind chill. So as we head on through the evening and overnight, we carry on with those showers through the afternoon as well across Northern Ireland, across Scotland too. There then becomes the risk of ice, as we've got this morning, and the same too across Northern England, in between some drier conditions. So for the rush hour this is, again we're looking at some showers, snow showers across parts of Wales, drying up a touch across the southwest, and then we run into this rain readily falling in sleet and snow, particularly over the hills, but we could see some of that at lower levels. And as we head into the evening, there it goes, pushing down through East Anglia and heading off into Kent. Again, readily behind that, we're looking at the risk of ice. So if you're travelling, do take extra care. Now, through the evening and overnight this time, you can also see what's happening. We do have some snow showers around, and then we've got this band coming across Scotland, moving eventually into Northern England. We've got snow showers coming in across Northern Ireland, Wales, the southwest. But this band will continue to push southwards, getting into the North Midlands and North Wales by the end of the night. Ahead of it, cold, but at this stage dry. So picking this up for tomorrow morning's rush hour, this is what we think. It will continue to journey south, pushing across the London area, potentially East Anglia and Kent, before it clears away. Then a lot of dry weather, a lot of sunshine, still chilly in the wind, and a peppering of showers, wintry in nature, out towards the north and west. Meanwhile, down this east coast, we're looking at gales through the North Sea. That's going to whip up some large waves. That also will coincide with the spring tides. So there is the risk of some coastal flooding across parts of the east coast of England. The other thing is here too, we are also looking at some wintry showers.